Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can save your adenium from dying because of root rot. As you can see, the roots are coming apart from the plant because of the fungus attack. Wash the roots gently so you can examine the roots and remove the affected area. Stay tuned with me till the end to know some tips and tricks to prevent root rot. Get rid of all the affected roots. As you can easily notice the change between the fresh roots and the affected roots. The affected roots are the ones which turn black and mushy. Now with the help of a sharp knife or a blade, I'm going to remove all the affected area. You can also sterilize your knife or blade with any disinfectant or hydrogen peroxide, Dettol or any other solution. Keep removing the rotten roots till you see white caudex or healthy roots. If any mold or fungus residue left behind with the plant, that can again start growing and slowly the plant will start dying. So clean it carefully. For better results, after cleaning the plant, you can leave it in shady area for 5 to 6 days after applying fungicide so the plant can dry and heal properly before repotting. Make sure you don't water the plant right after repotting. You can start watering your plant after 1 week and that also once in a week. We have removed almost all the affected area and the rotten roots, so now we can apply some fungicide. You can easily find SAF fungicide in market, or you can apply turmeric powder which is easily available at your home. I am applying cinnamon powder here, which is also known as dalchini. You can also grind your cinnamon in the mixer and get the powder. The most common cause for root rot is overwatering. It can also occur in heavy rainy season, or if you are not using well draining soil mixture, or if the hole under your pot is blocked by roots ways or to prevent soil. Always choose your pots. I'm gonna carefully share for the succulents. Try not to choose the pots which have flat base, but if you have, then you can always keep some pieces of tile or marble to elevate your pot. Pots with legs are considered the best, so the roots can easily breathe. Now it's time for repotting. So I have placed a plastic sheet to grow more aerial roots Now you can start putting the soil gently without causing any harm to the roots, and make sure you do not water the plant for 1 week. And this is the update after 2 weeks. You can see the plant got so many flowers and fresh and healthy leaves. Thanks for being with me till then. See you with more updates.